Good morning, student. Today we will discuss fitting of a curve of the form y is equal to a x to the power of b. Fitting of a curve of the form y is equal to a x to the power of b. Y is equal to a x to the power of b. Okay. Then first to take down the equation form y is equal to a x to the power of b. Then this equation we have to convert it into first straight line equation. Okay, how to convert? Taking a log on both sides. Taking a log on both sides. Log y is equal to log a x to the power of b. Okay, means log a. Here observe here, we know that log m n is equal to log m plus log n. Okay, taking a log on base e. Okay, log on base e on both sides. Log y base e is equal to log a x to the power of b base e. Okay, log mn can be written as log m plus log n. Okay, use this formula. Log a x to the power of b base e, we can be written as log a base e plus log x to the power of b base e. Okay, then log x to the power of b base e. Okay, we have to apply the formula log n to the power of n. Log n to the power of n, we can be written as n log m. N log m means log a base e plus b log x base e. b log x base e. Okay. Then next log y base e. Okay. Here what we have to do is take down capital Y is equal to log y base e. Okay, we are considering log y base e is equal to capital Y, and log a base e we are taking capital A. Then log x base e we are taking capital B. We are taking capital X. We are taking capital X. Okay. Then next substitute. Okay, take down log y base e is equal to log a base e plus b log x base e. Okay, take down that equation. Then substitute. Okay, here call it as this is equation number 1. Okay, take equation 1. Equation 1. Okay, means log capital Y base log y base e is equal to log a base e plus b into log x base e. Okay, then observe here, just now we consider log y base e is capital Y. Okay, means capital Y. Then log a base e we consider as capital A. Okay, capital A plus b log x base e we are consider as capital X. We are consider as capital X. Okay, then and also take down here small b capital B only. Okay, consider small b is equal to capital B only. Then what will happen here? Capital Y is equal to a plus capital B x. Okay. Then now this is a straight line equation. We have to write the normal equation of straight line equation. Okay. Then first write down y is equal to ax plus b. The normal equation of y is equal to ax plus b. Okay. Then what is the normal equation of y is equal to ax plus b is a into summation of x square, okay, plus b into summation of x is equal to summation of xy. B is equal to summation of xy. Then one a into summation of x plus nb is equal to summation of y is equal to summation of y. Okay, the normal equation of y is equal to ax plus b is this type: a summation of x square plus b summation of x is equal to summation x y. Then a summation of x plus n b is equal to summation of y. Okay. Then here what is there here? Capital Y is equal to capital A plus B capital X. Observe here, compare these two equations. Okay, in place of y, okay, in place of y, you write down capital Y. Okay, in place of y, write down capital Y, and come to the RHS part. X to the power of the coefficient of x to the power of 1 is a here. Okay, means the next here the coefficient of capital X is what? Capital B. Capital X is what here? Capital B. Means in place of A, in place of small a, substitute capital B. Substitute capital B. Okay. Then observe here. Then next to here small x is there, here capital X is there. In place of small x, write down capital X. Okay. Then come to b, x to the power of 0 here. Means x to the power of 0 is 1 only. The coefficient of x to the power of 0 is small b. Okay. Then in place of small b, observe here, here also capital X to the power of 0 is there. Then the coefficient of x to the power of 0 is capital A. Capital A. Means in place of small b, write down capital B. Okay. Then in here, A is what? Capital B. B into summation of, in place of x square, write down here capital X square, plus in place of b, observe here, write down here capital A. In place of b, write down here capital A. Then summation of, in place of x, write down here capital X is equal to summation of, in place of x, write down capital X. In place of y, write down here capital Y. Okay. Then similarly, in place of a, observe here, in place of a, you have to write down capital B. Capital B, summation of x is, small x is summation of capital X. In place of small x, we have to write down capital X. Plus, then n write down as it is. Then in place of b, okay, here in place of b, capital A is there. Write down here capital A is equal to summation of small y is capital Y. Okay, small y is capital Y. Okay, then solve these two equations. Okay, equation number 2 and equation number 3. Solve 2 and 3. We will get it a and b values. Okay, we will get it a and b values. Then what is the a? Observe here, what is the a here? Here capital A is, observe here, log a base c. Here capital A is log a base c. Capital A is log a base c. Okay, means log a base c is equal to a. Then small a is equal to e to the power of a. Okay, substituting a and b, substituting a comma b in y is equal to a x to the power of b. Okay, this is the fitting of a curve of the form y is equal to a x to the power of b. Y is equal to a x to the power of b. Okay. Then next we will solve the problem. We will solve the problem. Okay, take the problem. Fit a least square geometric curve y is equal to ax to the power of b for the following data. Okay, then x, y, 1 0.5, 2 2, 3 4.5, 4 8, 5 12.5. Okay, write the question. X, y, 1 0.5, 2 2, 3 4.5, 4 8, 5 12.5. Okay, here equation is y is equal to ax to the power of b. Okay, y is equal to ax to the power of b. Taking a log on both sides, log y base e, log a x to the power of b base e. Okay, use the formula log m n. We are writing log m plus log n. Okay, using this formula, log a x to the power of b, we are writing log a base e plus log x to the power of b base e, log x to the power of b base e. Then you know that log m to the power of n, log m to the power of n is equal to n into log m, okay. Then log a base e plus b log x e. Okay, using the formula log m to the power of n can be written as b log x base e, okay. Then then take down capital Y is equal to log y base e. Then log a base e, we are writing capital A is equal to log a base e. Okay, then b we are writing capital B, small b we are writing capital B. Then small x we are writing small, here log x base e we are writing capital X, X. Okay, then what will happen here? Log y base e is equal to capital Y, log a base e we are writing capital A, then b we are writing capital B, then log x base e we are writing capital X. Okay, we are writing capital X. Then next to y is equal to ax plus b. Then write the normal form of y is equal to ax plus b. Okay, means here a summation of x square plus b into summation of x is equal to summation of xy. Okay, then a into summation of x plus nb is equal to summation of y. Okay, write the normal equation of y is equal to ax plus b. Then capital Y is equal to a plus b capital X. Okay, then compare these two equations. In place of small y, write down capital Y. Okay, and the coefficient of x is a in first equation. The coefficient of capital X is b here. In place of a, write down here capital B. Okay, then next to in place of small x, write down capital X. Okay, then the coefficient of x to the power of 0 is b here, b. Then come to here the coefficient of capital X to the power of 0 is a, capital A. Means in place of b, write down here capital A. Okay, capital A. Then write the normal equation. Okay, first I will take this equation. A is equal to A into summation of x plus NG is equal to summation of y. Take this one in place of A, in place of in place of observe in place of summation of small y, we are writing summation of capital Y. Then in place of small a, we are writing capital A. Then summation of, in place of x, summation of capital X plus n, write down as it is. And in place of B, we have to write here in place of A. Here we are in place of A, we are writing y is equal to a plus capital A plus bx. Okay, then a is here b. Okay, here a, in place of a, write down here in place of small xy, write down here summation of capital X and capital Y. Then in place of a, we have to write b into summation of x square. Then plus in place of b, write down capital A summation of x. Okay, here we are also in place of a, we have to write down here b into summation of x. Okay, plus n. In place of b, we have to write down capital A. In place of small b, we are to write down capital A. Means the equation is summation of capital Y is equal to b into summation of x plus NA. Summation of capital X Y is equal to b into summation of x square plus a into summation of x. Okay, then we have to construct the table here. Write down x values according to this problem. X is 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, then y values here. Y is 0.5, 2, 4.5, 8, 12.5. Okay, then capital X is equal to here log x base e. Okay, capital X is nothing but log x base e. Then capital Y is nothing but log y base e. Okay, capital Y is nothing but log y base e. And in the next two here, observe here, we need to find capital XY. Okay, and also we need to find capital X square. Okay, in this we need to find summation of y is what, and also summation of x is what, summation of xy is what, summation of x square is what we need to find. Okay, then find out log x base e. Log 1 base e, we are writing 0. Log 2 base e, log 2 base e is nothing but 0.6931. Log 3 base e, we are writing 1.0986. Log 4 base e, we are writing 1.3863. Log 5 base e is 1.6094. Then summation of capital X is what? Add it here. 0 plus 0.9 plus 1.0 plus 1.3863 plus 1.6094. Add it, you will get it 4.7874. Okay. Then next to similarly find out capital Y. Capital Y is equal to log of 0.5 base e is nothing but minus 0.6931. Log of 2 base e, say 0.6931. Log of 4.5 base e value is 1.5041. Okay, then next to log 8 base e. Log 8 base e is 2.0794. Then log 5 base e is nothing but 2.5257. Okay, means summation of capital Y. Summation of capital Y is here 6.1092. 6.1092. Okay. Then find out the capital X into capital Y. Capital X into Y, 0 into 0.6931 is 0. 0.6931 into 0.6931 is 0.4804. 1.0986 into 1.5041 is 1.6524. Okay, 1.3863 into 2.0794 is 2.88827. Okay, 1.6094 into 2.5257 is 4.0649. Then summation of capital XY is here 9.0804. 9.0804. Okay. Then find out capital X square here. Capital X square is 0 square is 0. 0.6931 is 0. 4 square is nothing but 0.6931 whole square is 0.4804. Okay. Then next term 1.0986 whole square is equal to 1.6524. The next 2.0794 whole square is nothing but here 1.0986 whole square is 1.2069. 2.7099 is 1.3863 whole square is 1.9218. 1.6094 whole square is 2.5902. Then summation of capital X square is what here? 6.1993. 6.1993. Okay. Then use the normal equation, substitute. Okay. What is there here in normal equation? Summation of y. Summation of capital Y is equal to B into summation of X plus NA. Then summation of XY. Summation of XY is equal to B into summation of X square plus A into summation of X. A into summation of X. Okay, substitute all the values. Summation of Y is what here? 6.1092. Then B into summation of X is summation of X is here 4.7849 plus N. How many elements are present here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5A. Okay, then next summation of XY is 9.0804 is equal to B into summation of X square is 6.1993 plus A into summation of X. A into summation of X. X into 4.7874. Okay. Then we will write here 5A plus 4.7879 B is equal to 6.1092. Next 4.7874A plus 6.1993B is equal to 9.0804. Okay, use the calculator and simplify. Okay, I will give 5 minutes time to use the calculator, simplify. The next A values here minus A is equal to minus 0.69315, minus 0.69315, and B values here 2. Okay, then log A base C is equal to capital A, means log A base C is equal to minus 0.69315. Then small b is then capital B is 2. Then small b is also 2. Small b is nothing but capital B is nothing but small b, means small b is also 2. Okay. Then here A is equal to log e to the power of minus 0.69315, means A is equal to what? 0.5, means A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 0.5. B is equal to 2 and A is 0.5. Okay, then y is equal to A x to the power of B, means y A is 0.5 and x in place of B substitute here x square. This is the required answer. Okay, thank you. Okay, the y is equal to 0.5 x square. Problem is completed. The next problem I will continue next class. Okay, thank you.